Astra AI has been making some waves lately, especially with its promise to enhance productivity and streamline tasks. But is it really as effective as it claims? Let's dive into what this platform has to offer and whether it's safe for everyday use. Astra AI positions itself as a productivity tool designed to help users manage tasks more efficiently, leveraging artificial intelligence to provide insights and automate various processes. The layout is fairly intuitive, making it easy for users to navigate through its features. You can expect functionalities like task prioritization, scheduling, and reminders, which could potentially save you a lot of time. What stands out immediately is how it aims to cater to a broad audience, from busy professionals to students. However, while the concept sounds impressive, there are some areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, specific details on how the AI learns from user behavior or adapts over time aren't fully fleshed out. This could leave potential users wondering just how effective the platform will be in real-world scenarios. Overall, Astra AI seems like a promising tool for those looking to optimize their workflow, but the lack of transparency around certain features might raise some eyebrows. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Astra AI's user-friendly interface makes it accessible for a wide range of users. The task automation features can definitely enhance productivity. However, there are some frustrations to consider. For starters, the limited information on how the AI adapts could be a deal breaker for those who want a tool that evolves with their needs. Trust concerns also come into play here. Without clear customer feedback or reviews readily available, it's tough to gauge how reliable the platform truly is. And while it may be beneficial for individuals seeking to streamline their tasks, larger teams or more complex projects might find it lacking in depth. In short, Astra AI has its strengths, but potential users should weigh those against the uncertainties that come with it. So, who should consider Astra AI? If you're an individual looking for a straightforward productivity tool, it might be worth a shot. But if you're part of a larger team or need a highly adaptable solution, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, while Astra AI shows promise, the lack of transparency leaves some questions that potential users should think about before diving in.